Ho, ho, ho! It's not Santa Claus, it's Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. Happy holidays! As 2025 comes to an end, we want to reflect back on our 60th anniversary of building motorhomes here in Winkler, Manitoba, the great white north, and it's snowing, which is beautiful because it is the Christmas season, which is very exciting. As we look back on the 2025 calendar year, we had just a great year. We had some new product upgrades, a brand new entrance door, an induction cooktop. We've added an optional of 440 watts of solar. We've also added a heat pump to our Truma air conditioner, which is very exciting. We've got the brand new Desert Shadow package, which looks absolutely incredible. Plus, we have 6 new exterior colors for 2026. This is carbon, looks absolutely beautiful. The elves have been very, very busy here in Winkler, Manitoba, and I'm not supposed to say this out loud, but Leisure Travel Vans might have a brand new product that we're gonna be showing very early in 2026, so very, very excited. I can't wait to show you, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Plus, we always wanna say thank you to our community here in Winkler, Manitoba, all the people that support our company, all of our dealers. Also, I'd like to say a special thank you to our Triple Diamond and our Triple Diamond Premier dealers. We really appreciate all the extra hard work you do for keeping our Leisure Travel Vans customers super happy. We also want to thank all of our great employees who build the most beautiful RV in the world. We want to thank our great customers who support our company and have been supporting us since 1965. We've been building RVs here in Winkler, Manitoba for 60 years. Now that is something to celebrate. Hey, let's get back to the factory so that we can hear from some of the other areas of the Leisure Travel Van family community. Santa's sleigh just got an upgrade. It's all-wheel drive. This is our new manufacturing facility area here for our final finish area. We do front end alignments, wheel testing, water testing. We have about 400 employees here that work here at Leisure Travel Vans. Let's hear from some of them right now. And by the way, they build the best motorhomes in the world.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Feliz Navidad y Feliz Año Nuevo.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Isa Masiki, बहुत शुभकामनाएं. A Merry Christmas to you guys.
Just wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you all. Et je voudrais souhaiter joyeux Noël et bonne année à toutes les familles à Winkler. Que le Seigneur vous bénisse. Merci.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Buon Natale e Felice Anno Nuovo.
Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa lahat.
С Новым годом и счастливого Рождества.
Frohe Weihnachten und ein frohes neues Jahr.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all.
لكل زملائي في الشركة كل سنة وأنتم طيبين بمناسبة عيد الكريسماس. أعياد سعيدة عليكم جميعا. Merry Christmas and may God bless you all and your families.
Дорогі друзі, щасливого Різдва та щасливого Нового року.
Wir wünschen Ihnen schöne Weihnachten und ein gesegnetes neues Jahr.
Hey everybody, Randy Clausen here, Territory Sales Manager for Leisure Travel Vans with my wonderful pupper, Remy. Just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas, all the best to you and your family in this wonderful time of year, and let's just remember what the real reason for the season is. Have yourself a blessed Christmas.
As you know, we shoot product videos pretty much all year long. Some of the product videos don't go quite as well as I had planned. And everybody here likes to have a little fun with me and they want me to show you the bloopers. So here are the bloopers for 2025. Holy moly, I think there's a bear chasing me. Right? That was billboard. You gonna be able to cut that in? What's this called again? That was tough. That was the worst demonstration in the history of man. Wow, this is one incredible morning. Sorry, ready? Wow, this is one incredible morning. Plus, look at this. Storage. I couldn't open it. You can have the TV up because the TV, sorry. You can have the TV up because the TV actually, it's big, nice big storage area. Nice big storage area. Ready? All the leisure travel all the leisure travel ready. But look at the size of that. Golf clubs. Remember, we got the beautiful 3,000. So remember, we got the beautiful 3,000 amp in. Ready? And remember, we've got the beautiful, right? Do not forget beautiful. And remember, we've got the beautiful 3,000 watt inverter. 26 Wonder rear lounge powered on the Mercedes-Benz. Hey, welcome inside the Unity. I knew I was gonna say that. Ready? But look at this. I have a place to store, right? Shoot, there's too many S's there. Stainless steel sink, so I can actually really wash my clothes. You can also store this in there. What did I say? Clothes. And I really like this, look at this. Light comes on. It doesn't come on. Oh, what makes this holder, sorry. Oh, what makes this motor, ready? So you can actually clean. Ready? So now, come on, let's take a look. Sorry, ready? Of course, we have our Desert Shadow badging and our black taillight bezels, yeah. You can see the black is all perfect, what is it? And you're gonna love this, that the black is all perforated. And once I said, look at this, wind sensor.
Is the sensor not on?
So don't forget, we have two different colors, mineral white and the other one.
I agree.
No, I don't know. I lost my train of thought.
Hey, it's Ryan here from Triple E Leisure Travel Vans. This year was our 60th anniversary, 60 years of manufacturing RVs for the North American market, and we couldn't do what we do without each and every member of our community. Whether you're a dealer, a supplier, a customer, an employee, or part of the Winkler community, thank you for being part of our community in 2025. On behalf of all of us here at Leisure Travel Vans at Triple E RV, we say thank you, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lori Raby, LTV Explorer from Calgary, Canada.
My name is Rihanna Mayland, and together, along with my mom, we own an LTV Unity.
Hi, everybody. I'm Tom.
I'm Carla.
With the Leisure Explorers team.
Hi, we're Stacy and Sherry Fleming from Omaha, Nebraska.
Rob Cordes of Lower North Carolina.
Bill and Denise Simeon.
This year's 30,000-mile tour took me to 11 different U.S. states, 4 Canadian provinces, 6 national parks, and over 30 provincial and state parks nationwide.
We're here in Michigan right now, and we just wanted to say how much we've enjoyed writing stories for you, including tips for absolute beginners through the blog. And we look forward to providing even more stories in 2026.
I'm in my 2025 Wonder RTB. Thank you so much for just a world-class product.
Who needs reindeer when you have a leisure travel van?
Santa's got the list. We've got the van. Let's deliver Christmas LTV style.
Some of my accomplishments were going over 100,000 miles on the road this year, hiking to 11,000 feet on Mount Whitney, my breathless bike tour of the Colorado Monument, making it to the top of Rocky Mountain National Park, driving the entire circumference of Lake Superior, and kayaking in the Apostle Islands.
We're so grateful for the amazing experiences, the wonderful memories, and the ease that we can travel together every year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and your families, and I wish you a very safe holiday season.
From our festive van to all the Triple E employees and customers,
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays from Calgary, Canada.
Wishing everybody a happy, joyful, and fun-filled holiday season.
Wishing you the merriest of holiday seasons for 2025.
Happy New Year and Happy Holidays.
I want to thank all of the Triple E employees for building the best motorhome out there.
To you and all our fellow travelers, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Go LTV and go Alliance.
A very Merry Christmas to all at LTV from Peter and Janet Ireland.
Joyeux Noël!
LTV Quebec.
Merry Christmas to Triple E.
We should say something to the other LTVers and to the support people up there in Winkler, the mothership. What do you think?
How about
Happy Holidays?
The VOD RV family wants to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays.
To our entire Leisure Travel Van family, thank you. We're truly grateful for our partnership with Leisure and
for every customer we've been able to match with their LTV.
We appreciate you and look forward to the year ahead.
Wishing all Triple E employees and customers a very Merry Christmas and a joyful holiday season. From Kenny Rogers at Traveland RV in Langley, British Columbia.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Van City RV.
From the staff here at Village RV, we wish the Triple E staff a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!
Hi, I'm Jennifer with Leisure RV Center in the greater Houston area. From our family to yours, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays from Van City RV, Colorado.
Hi, Triple E and Leisure Travel Van. I'm Brennan.
My name is Alec.
And I'm Ray. And we are from Fraserway RV Kelowna. We'd like to wish you guys a very Merry Triple Diamond Christmas
And a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. From all of us at Van City RV St. Louis, your Triple Diamond Award winning St. Louis team.
Hi, my name is John Bodemiller. I'm here today with the Elate the Fleet team. Well, I'd like to thank the Triple E team for 15 years of a great experience working together. Our team would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Merry Christmas!
Happy Holidays from Van City RV, Las Vegas.
From our wonderful family here at Horizon Lucia to all you wonderful people at Leisure Travel, we are wishing you a very Merry Christmas.
Hey, Triple E, it's the holiday season, and we just wanted to say Merry Christmas from El Dorado.
Hi, Triple E team.
Thanks for a great 2025.
We appreciate your partnership and trust.
From all of us at Hometown Ford, Merry Christmas and have a great 2026.
Hey everyone at Triple E RV, Dallas Gabriel here, president of Willis. And I wanted to say thanks so much for a great year and for many years of partnership. Wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello friends from Triple E. Bye!
Merry Christmas to Triple E RV and all of our customers.
On behalf of El Dorado Plywood, Kim Harris and scheduling team wishes Triple E very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!
Вітаємо всіх з Різдвом Христовим!
Поздравляем всех с Рождеством! Счастья, здоровья, любви и удачи!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holiday!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas from all of us here at Icon.
Thank you very much for supporting our company for the last 60 years. We want everybody to have a super happy holiday season, a safe one, and a prosperous new year for 2026. Santa's very cold now. We're gonna go back in the motorhome where it's nice and warm, but once again, happy holidays!